my dear students. I welcome you all in chemistry class. Today I am going to take one more type of indicators, that is olfactory indicators. Now let's talk about olfactory indicators. The term olfactory means relating to the sense of smell, and those substances whose smell changes in acidic or basic solutions are called olfactory indicators. In other words, we can say that there are some substances which give one type of odor in acidic medium and a different smell in the basic medium. Therefore, they can be used to test whether the given substance is acidic or basic. And an olfactory indicator usually works on a principle that when an acid or a base is added to it, then its characteristic smell cannot be detected. Onion, vanilla and clove oil extract are olfactory indicators. Now let's start with onion. Onion has a characteristic smell. When a basic solution like sodium hydroxide solution is added to cloth strip treated with onion extract, then onion smell cannot be detected. And an acidic solution like hydrochloric acid does not destroy the smell of onions. So, this can be used as a test for acids and bases. And for this, take some finely chopped onions and a few strips of clean cloth in a plastic bag. Tie the open mouth of the bag tightly and then keep in the fridge overnight. The cloth strips now acquire the smell of the onion and can be used as acid-base indicator. To know the smell in the acidic medium and in basic medium, take 2 cloth strips prepared earlier. Place them on a clean surface and put a few drops of an acidic solution on one strip like lemon juice, or a few drops of a basic solution like cucumber extract on the other. Now rinse them with water and check their smell again. It is observed that onions has a characteristic smell in the acidic medium, which is completely destroyed in the basic medium. So, with this experiment, we can detect whether the given solution is acidic or basic. And students, vanilla extract is another example of olfactory indicators, which is used to test whether a given substance is acidic or basic. Vanilla extract has a characteristic pleasant smell. If basic solution like sodium hydroxide solution is added to vanilla extract, then we can't detect the characteristic smell of vanilla extract. And an acidic solution like hydrochloric acid does not destroy the smell of vanilla extract. So, this can be used as a test for acids and bases. And students, clove oil is another example of olfactory indicators, and it has a characteristic smell. Similarly, in acidic medium, we can detect the characteristic smell of clove oil, or we can say that an acid solution like hydrochloric acid does not destroy the smell of clove oil. And students, in basic medium, it is not possible to detect the characteristic smell of clove oil. Or we can say that when a basic solution like sodium hydroxide solution, cucumber extract is added to the clove oil, then the characteristic smell of clove oil cannot be detected. Okay, so this can be used as test for acid and bases. Okay.